In this video we want to show you breakfast at a Denny's American diner. This Denny's is located at Las Vegas Strip. Here you can see the table pad printed on paper, with some new products at Denny's. There is a new milkshake and cinnamon dessert, and some new home-style dinners. This is how the Denny's branch looks like from inside, located at Las Vegas Strip. We ordered for breakfast a peanut butter cream pancake. There are lots of peanut pieces covering the pancakes. In between the pancakes you can find chocolate pieces. The second pancake we ordered is called Salted Caramel and Banana Cream Pancake Breakfast. This pancake has banana slices on top, together with a salted caramel sauce and crumbles. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.